Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. OK, here's a detailed tutorial on 7 practical CSS typography tips and tricks to enhance the readability and visual appeal of your web content. I'll provide explanations, code examples, and reasoning behind each tip. 1. Establish a baseline font size and line height for body text. Explanation This is the foundation of your typography. Setting a default font size and line height in the body or HTML element creates a consistent vertical rhythm and readability throughout your website. This helps establish a comfortable reading experience for your users. Why it's important. Consistency. All other text elements can be sized relatively, using em or rem units, from this baseline. Readability. Appropriate line height ensures lines of text aren't too cramped or too far apart. Accessibility. Users can easily adjust the default font size in their browser settings, and your design will adapt proportionally if you've used relative units. Code example. Explanation of the code. HTML font size, 16px, sets the root font size. If you need to support older browsers, you can use a percentage value like HTML font size, 100%, which is equivalent. The browser default is usually 16px. This acts as a master control for the site. Body applies the styles to the body element, which contains most of your website's content. Font size, 1 rem, sets the body font size to 1 rem, which is equivalent to the root font size, 16px in this case. Using rem units ensures that the text size is relative to the root element, HTML, making it easier to scale the entire site if needed. Using em units bases it off the nearest font size, which may lead to unexpected results. Line height, 1.5, sets the line height to 1.5 times the font size. A line height between 1.4 and 1.6 is generally considered readable for body text. Adjust this value based on your font and design. Units are not specified here as the value is a multiplier. Color, 333, sets the text color to a dark gray, which is less harsh than pure black. Headers are given a different font family for visual distinction. Best practices. Experiment with different font sizes and line heights to find what works best for your content and design. Use a good contrast ratio between text color and background color for accessibility. Choose a font family that is easy to read and appropriate for your brand. Test your typography on different devices and screen sizes. 2. Use relative units, em, rem, for font sizing. Explanation. Avoid using fixed units like px for font sizes. Instead, use relative units like em or rem. This makes your typography more flexible and responsive. Em units are relative to the font size of the parent element, while rem units are relative to the root element, HTML. Why it's important. Scalability. Easily adjust the overall text size of your website by changing the root font size. Accessibility. Users can adjust their browser's default font size, and your design will adapt accordingly. Maintainability. Changes to typography can be made in one place, the HTML element, and cascade throughout the site. Code example. Explanation of the code. H1 font size, 2.5 rem, sets the H1 font size to 2.5 times the root font size. P font size, 1 rem, sets the paragraph font size to the same as the body font size. Asterisk margin bottom, 1.25 m, sets the margin to 1.25 times the font size. Asterisk small font size, 0.8 rem, sets the font size of small text to 0.8 times the root font size. Asterisk key differences between m and rem asterisk. Asterisk m, relative to the font size of the nearest parent element. Can lead to unexpected results with nested elements if parent elements have varying font sizes. Asterisk rem, relative to the font size of the root element, HTML. Provides a more predictable and consistent scaling behavior. Asterisk when to use which asterisk. Asterisk use rem for overall site typography, headings, paragraphs, etc. Asterisk use m for spacing and sizing elements that are tightly coupled with the font size of a specific element, example padding on a button that should scale with the button's text size. 3. Control line length for readability. Asterisk explanation asterisk the ideal line length for readability is generally considered to be between 45 and 75 characters per line. Longer lines can be tiring to read, while shorter lines can disrupt the flow of text. Asterisk why it's important asterisk. Asterisk readability asterisk optimizing line length reduces eye strain and improves comprehension. Asterisk engagement asterisk readers are more likely to stay engaged with content that is easy to read. Asterisk code example asterisk explanation of the code asterisk content max width 70 ch sets the maximum width of the content element to 70 characters using the ch unit. The ch unit represents the width of the 0 character in the current font. This is a good way to approximate the ideal character count per line. Asterisk margin 0 auto centers the content block horizontally. Asterisk padding 20px adds some spacing around the content. Asterisk content wide max width 80 VW. This code sets the maximum width of the content wide to 80% of the current viewport width, ensuring the content adapts to different screen sizes while still maintaining a readable line length. Asterisk alternatives to ch asterisk. Asterisk VW, viewport width the percentage of the viewport width. Useful for responsive designs. Asterisk rem, you can set a maximum width in rem, but you'll need to experiment to find the right value for your font size and desired line length. Asterisk m, similar to rem, but relative to the element's font size. Asterisk important considerations asterisk. Asterisk line length is a guideline, not a strict rule. Adjust the max width value based on your font, design, and content. Asterisk test your typography on different devices to ensure that line lengths remain readable. Asterisk consider using a responsive approach with media queries to adjust the max width on smaller screens. 4. Use letter spacing and word spacing judiciously. Asterisk explanation asterisk letter spacing and word spacing can be used to fine-tune the appearance of text, but they should be used sparingly and with careful consideration. Asterisk why it's important asterisk. Asterisk readability asterisk slight adjustments to letter spacing can improve readability for certain fonts, especially on screens. Asterisk visual appeal asterisk word spacing can be used to create a more balanced and visually appealing layout. Asterisk special effects asterisk extreme values can be used for stylistic effects, but use with caution. Asterisk code example asterisk explanation of the code asterisk H1 letter spacing -0.02 m slightly reduces the letter spacing of H1 elements. Negative values bring letters closer together. P word spacing 0.1 m, adds a small amount of space between words in paragraphs. Tight letter spacing, -0.05 m, creates a class that significantly reduces letter spacing. This can be useful for specific elements where you want a very tight look, but be careful not to make the text unreadable. Spaced word spacing, 0.5 m, creates a class that adds a large amount of space between words. This is best used for stylistic effects or short text snippets, not for large blocks of text. Best practices use small values for letter spacing and word spacing. Even small adjustments can make a difference. Test your typography on different browsers and operating systems, as rendering of these properties can vary. Avoid using extreme values that make the text difficult to read. Be aware that letter spacing can affect the layout of text in unexpected ways. 5. Control text alignment and justification carefully. Explanation The text align property controls the horizontal alignment of text within an element. Text justify determines how the text will be spaced when justified. Why it's important readability proper alignment improves readability. Visual appeal alignment can create a more visually appealing layout. Code example explanation of the code left text align, left, sets the text alignment to the left, the default. Center text align, center, centers the text horizontally within the element. Use this sparingly for headings or short text snippets. Avoid centering large blocks of text, as it can be difficult to read. Right text align, right, aligns the text to the right. Use this sparingly for specific design elements. Justify text align, justify, text justify, interword, justifies the text, distributing spaces between words to create a flush left and right margin. Text justify, interword is used to control how the justification is applied. Other values are auto and none. Considerations for justification justified text can create rivers of white space if not done carefully. Adjust word spacing and letter spacing to minimize these effects. Hyphenation can also improve the appearance of justified text. See the next tip. Justification is generally best suited for long blocks of text, such as in articles or books. 6. Implement hyphenation for better text flow. Explanation hyphenation automatically inserts hyphens at the end of lines to improve the flow of text and reduce unsightly gaps, especially in justified text. Why it's important readability improves the overall appearance of text by preventing large gaps. Aesthetics creates a more polished and professional look. Code example explanation of the code wicked hyphens, auto, mos hyphens, auto, ms hyphens, auto, vendor prefixes for browser compatibility. Hyphens, auto, enables automatic hyphenation. The browser will insert hyphens as needed based on its hyphenation dictionary. Word break word, this property is important in conjunction with hyphenation. It prevents long words from overflowing the container when hyphenation is not sufficient. This is especially important for languages with long words or URLs. Hyphenation options hyphens, none, disables hyphenation. Hyphens, manual, only allows hyphenation at explicitly specified points, using the WBR tag in HTML. Asterisk hyphens, auto, allows the browser to automatically hyphenate words. Asterisk important notes asterisk. Asterisk the quality of hyphenation depends on the browser's hyphenation dictionary. Some languages are better supported than others. Asterisk hyphenation can sometimes introduce awkward or incorrect hyphens. You may need to manually adjust the text or use different words to avoid these issues. 7. Use CSS text transforms for capitalization control. Asterisk explanation asterisk the text transform property allows you to control the capitalization of text without modifying the actual HTML content. Asterisk why it's important asterisk. Asterisk consistency asterisk enforce consistent capitalization styles across your website. Asterisk flexibility asterisk change capitalization without editing the HTML. Asterisk code example asterisk explanation of the code asterisk dot uppercase text transform uppercase converts all text within the element to uppercase. Dot lowercase text transform, lowercase, converts all text to lowercase. Dot capitalize text transform, capitalize, capitalizes the first letter of each word. Dot none text transform, none, resets any inherited text transformation, restoring the original capitalization of the text. Use cases headings, ensure that all headings are consistently capitalized. Navigation menus, convert menu items to uppercase for a cleaner look. Form labels, capitalize form labels for better readability. Button text, transform button text to uppercase or lowercase for visual consistency. In summary by implementing these 7 CSS typography tips and tricks, you can significantly improve the readability, visual appeal, and overall user experience of your website. Remember to experiment with different settings to find what works best for your content and design. Always prioritize readability and accessibility. Good typography can make the difference between a website that is a joy to use and one that is frustrating to navigate.